Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs. And just a reminder that Walter and I will be live today at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, our usual time. Sunday, October the, what is today? October the 18th, halfway through the month. So what are we going to talk about today? Well, we had a suggestion from one of our regular subscribers, and that was to talk about bucket lists and what our bucket list is, what your bucket list is. And I also want to talk about, do we need a bucket list? Or have we already accomplished some of those things that would have been on our bucket list? So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about other little pieces of information, and we're going to try to keep the conversation light, funny, and away from the serious issues that we're putting up with every day. Just a little bit of relief for an hour and a half from those issues. So I hope you can join us 4 p.m. today, Sunday, October the 18th, 2020. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.